future of motorcycling is here, and it doesn't make a sound. This is the 2026 Honda WN7, Honda's first full-size production electric motorcycle. No petrol, no gears, just pure, instant performance wrapped in a sleek, minimalist design. At first glance, the WN7 feels almost futuristic. There's no traditional frame, just components built around a central battery. It's compact, incredibly slim, and purposefully uncluttered. The exposed battery and sculpted air intakes give it a bold, almost sci-fi presence on the road. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Twist the throttle, and the WN7 delivers 67 horsepower and a massive 73.8 lb-ft of torque instantly. No revving, no waiting, just immediate acceleration that feels more like being launched than riding. It's fast, surprisingly fast. And because there's no gearbox, no clutch, and no engine vibration, your entire focus shifts. You're not managing the bike, you're experiencing the ride. The silence amplifies everything else. The wind, the road, even your own thoughts. It's a different kind of connection. Honda offers 4 riding modes: Sport, Standard, Econ, and Rain, along with adjustable regenerative braking. At higher regen levels, you can barely touch the brakes in city riding. It almost feels like engine braking, but smarter. Despite weighing over 217 kilograms, the low center of gravity makes it feel light and agile. Filtering through traffic is effortless, thanks to its narrow 826mm width. But it's not perfect. The range is one of the biggest limitations. While officially rated at around 87 miles, real-world riding brings that closer to 60 miles. For daily commuting or short rides, it works. But for long-distance touring, it demands planning. Charging, however, is surprisingly convenient. With a CCS2 fast charger, going from 20 to 80% takes just 30 minutes, about the time for a coffee break. There are a few quirks too. No parking brake, which can be inconvenient on slopes. A slightly narrow rear tire. And small details like the charging flap that could be better refined. Still, what the WN7 does right, it does exceptionally well. It's smooth, it's refined, and most importantly, it's fun. The kind of fun that makes you laugh inside your helmet and look for excuses to keep riding. At its core, the Honda WN7 isn't just about electric performance. It's about redefining what motorcycling feels like. Quiet, effortless, almost like you're not riding at all, but flying.